Let's get you the latest update that's coming in on the sandalwood drug racket. Former Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy is now hit out at MLA Zamir Ahmed Khan, dragging in his name in the sandalwood drug case. This after sandalwood activist Prashant Sambarge had said that actor Sanjana, who's now arrested in a drug case, used to go to Colombo often with Zamir Ahmed. He was previously a JDS MLA, now with the Congress. Zamir Ahmed, along with HDK, had gone to Colombo, and clarifying on his visit, Kumaraswamy said that his 2014 Colombo visit wasn't hidden and that he went with all of his MLAs. He's maintained categorically that yes, he did go. Everyone knew about his trip to Colombo, but that it was for party purposes. So Kumaraswamy really is stating clearly that the 2014 trip wasn't a secret trip in any way. He's come out to clarify on reports that suggested that Sanjana was linked to Zamir Ahmed and travelled time and again with the leader to Colombo. Now, amid this, considering that Zamir Ahmed was a former JDS MLA, there was a trip in 2014 that he'd taken along with H.D. Kumaraswamy and several other JDS leaders. And that's why Kumaraswamy has come out now with this clarification. Nolan Pinto is joining us with more details on this. Nolan, good morning. This particular case that we've been tracking over the last few weeks is only getting murkier by the day. There's a political link that's now emerged. Just explain to us why Kumaraswamy has today been forced to come out with this clarification.
Well, in fact, Akshita, political link started out somewhere on Wednesday when a politician's name was actually started to crop up. And that name was Zamir Ahmed Khan. Now, what we're hearing is this. Now, yesterday, Kumaraswamy has come out with a clarification saying that in 2014, everyone knew about this particular visit. It was a political party visit where all the functionaries of his party, MPs, MLAs, past legislators, everyone went over there. He says that the media knew about it. It was not an expensive trip. And that was the first and the last time that he went to Sri Lanka or Colombo for the meeting. However, Zamir Ahmed Khan, who was then with the JDS and now who had actually gone for the meeting, is now with the Congress. Now, what has happened is this. In the month of June, 8, 9, 10, this is what Samparki says, that Zamir Ahmed Khan had gone over there. Sanjana Galrani and also Sheikh Fazil, another individual, the alleged drug peddler of Sanjana Galrani, were part of the entourage. It is also alleged that Sanjana and also Sheikh Fazil allegedly they took him to these gambling areas. So this is the point over there. Now, Zamir clearly says that he has never met Sanjana in his life. And I'm talking about Sheikh Fazil. He says that he meets so many people, thousands and thousands of people who actually come and take photos with him.
Okay.
Like they do and take photos with BJP and leaders. So he really does not know anything. And he says that the authorities can go ahead and investigate him, especially in Colombo. He says that because if you have to go to a hotel or you go anywhere, you have to use your passport. Right. So if they need, all the information is over there and he has nothing to hide.
Okay, we'll be tracking the story very, very closely and getting the latest political reactions now that's coming in to this particular case. Nolan, for the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.